Good morning, Lulu.
Welcome to class, everyone.
Good morning, Teacher Ruro.
I like this spot. Roof.
Let's begin today's lesson. Oh.
I need to pay attention. Did someone say my name? That was weird. What's under there? Easy, easy. Nothing. I'm fine.
Please focus, Bayo. Meow.
Yes, teacher. I need to leave. Come on, Lulu. Okay, Bayu, I'm coming. Why does time feel slow?
Another quiet day.
I'm bored. Woof. 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 Woof, woof, woof. Woof. Lulu, wait. Woof. 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 What did you find? That light. There's something here. Wow. Woof. Oh, we shouldn't be seen.
Interesting indeed.
Just us. It's called